Well, it's back on the rails, totally rewired, and as you can tell, the engine is not complete. We're missing the headlight, and so I'm not missing it, I just didn't get time to put it in, but it's there. There might be one other tweak. When I first came on, it took off in reverse, so I'm thinking maybe I got the motors in so it starts in reverse every time instead of forward. But we will rectify that since the body's not on. That's easy, switch 2 wires. And boy, it looks nice. I mean, it's pulling well. That's 4 passenger cars. They're plastic, but you know, that's the set I was going to put with it if I kept it. Smooth as glass. Flat out. Wow. Wow. That is pretty amazing. That is just amazing. It is so fast and just so smooth. And plenty of power. Oh man, it's so wonderful. It took all day. It literally took all day, and I still don't have the stupid headlight in, but I feel really good about it. The headlight is going to fit in nicely. I'll have to pull some power. I'll get one from here, and I'll have to tap in to the other side to get some power for the headlight. But I'm not, you know, that's easy. That's real easy. And I mean, I could do a diode off the motor. That way the headlight would be on when you're in forward, as an idea. Think about that. Anyway, that's a wrap. I gotta go. Orders from headquarters, time to come up, so there it is. I'll get the headlight in and we'll get it out later.